So you can see here I have one cube, and what I will do, I will hit Shift D for duplicate, and I will hit Y so that it will go on Y direction. Then I will hit S to make it smaller like this. Okay. So in order to join two different objects, I can select two different objects, then right click join. Okay, or Control J you can click. So now you can see I have only one object. At this time, what I can do, I can move this one wherever I want. I will hit G, then it is moving, and if I hit R, it is rotating. Okay, so these things we can do. But the issue is, if I want to rotate only this one, then at this position it is not possible. I cannot rotate only this one. That is not there. Okay, so in order to solve that, we have something called as parenting. Let me do Control Z, and you can see I have two different objects. So this is the first object and this is a smaller one. So let me rename it as small, and this one as big by double tapping. Okay, so this is big, this is small. Now in order to parent it, what we can do, I will select this, the child first, and shift and select the other one. Now you can see this is the active and this is passive. Okay, right click, parent, then object. Okay, by doing this, you can see here I have only big. Okay, but if I expand it, you can see the small is inside big. Okay, now what happened, this become parent and this become child. Okay, now the use is like if I select the parent and if I hit R, it is rotating as expected. One more advantage is like I can move the child by its own. So child can move by its own, but whenever parent is moving, the child also it will follow. And if child wants, child can rotate or do any transformation accordingly. So I just click the G and I can move it anywhere, and if I want to scale it, I can scale it. So this is the parenting concept. So there will be one parent and number of child will be there. Now I have only one object. Shift D, then Y, I will take it here, I will make it smaller, then I will click this, Shift D, then X, I will take it here, then I will hit S to make it smaller, then again I will select this, Shift D, then Y, I will take it here and I will make it bigger like this. Okay, now you can see I have one big, then there is a smaller, very smaller. Okay, so what I will do, let me rename this one. I will select this, I will name it as Son 1, then I will select this, Son 2, then this one as father, then I will select this is a grandfather. Okay, now in order to parent it, what I will do, I will select the child first. I just clicked shift and I will select this one and I will select this. So I selected two son. At the end I will select the parent, that is the father, this one. Okay, then I will hit Control P, or what you can do right click and parent, or else you can do Control P or Command P. Then I will do object. Okay, now if you see here, father is present here and I have two son. Okay, now if I rotate this one, you can see it is rotating accordingly. So according to parent it is rotating, and if I select this, I can rotate this individual thing also. Okay, that is possible. Let me do Control Z. I will keep it at the same place. Now what I will do, I will select this one, this father, and shift select this. Now this is the active, this is passive. Then Control P, then I will hit object. Now what happened, this is the grandfather and I have father inside and I have son here. Now if I move grandfather, everything is moving, and if I move father, there's two things are moving. Then if I want, I can move this one as well, and if I want, I can make it a little bit bigger. Now if I rotate this one, See, it is moving like this. So this is a concept of parenting. Okay, now you can see there is one line which indicates the parent and child relationship. So if I want to remove the parenting, then what I can do, I want to remove the parenting of this one, then I can hit Alt P. Okay, so it will show clear parent. So if I click clear parent, you can see the parenting is removed. Now if I move this one, see, that is no more connected. Okay, so this is how you can remove the parenting. Mesh and cube, I created a cube here. Okay, now what I will do, let me select this and I will bring it here, and I will select this, shift and select this. Now this is the active, this will become parent. Now I will hit Control P, then I will click object. Now this become child, right? Now if I move, you can see this is the original place. Now I will move the parent, so it is displaced from its original place. Now if I try to remove the parent of this, Alt P, clear parent, it will come to the original place. Control Z. Instead of that, if I do Alt P, clear and keep transformation, at that time the parent it will remove, but the position it won't change, it will be there itself. So you can use this one also.